Frank. I am an incoming fourth-year cinema student of University of San Carlos. And nako karon diri sa akong hometown diri sa Iligan kay nag-organize ko film screening as one of our requirements sa Binisaya. The film screening na na-happen last July 30, 2024 sa Iligan City National High School was a successful one. Thankfully na survive namo ang screening, despite sa circumstances sa pag-organize na ako sa screening and on the actual day itself kay na-pull off namo ang event. Ang film screening na to kay such a great opportunity jud para mapakita bitaw sa students kung unsa ta ka talented o unsa ka nice ang mga salida na ginawa nato ng mga Bisaya filmmakers. And ato na screening kay wala ko ga-expect na daghang kay tawo, daghang kay students ang bulantaw, and dili ni mo possible without kang Tito Sam, ang principal sa school, and tugod niya nakipag-coordinate siya sa mga teachers para ingon sa mga students na malanta sa film, especially sa mga staff, other students na ning help to pag-assist sa sound and especially sa monitor sa screen kay nag-listen dyan ni atog butang as mas better ibutang ang screen kay ang gym ang good kay open and the event kay hapon, so dili kayo maklaro ang screen pero nangita lang din with pamaagi para mas makita siya sa tanan, and nagpa-due last minute changes na di tangtang na lang to and ikato na lang yung original na plan but also mga ning-ani na paghitabo like mga problems kay I think daily jud siya malikaya. Inevitable jud ang mga ning-ani na mga circumstances, especially sa day itself. As much as you rehearse it, as much as how you prepare for it or plan for it, kaya na-dyan na yung mga adjustments that need to be done. So, you just need to be prepared for it and can be on your toes at all times. And actually, isa pa sa mga problems, way before pa na nahatagan ko go signal para ma-show ang film screening sa Iligan City National High School. Kaya nag-ask ako before of to other schools na dito na ko, but I think na the other two schools din na was such a blessing in disguise. Kaya wala ako kabalo na ilaang school, especially sa high school pa nila kay nasa lang special program for the arts, and na-amaze lang jud ko on how naghandig students na ganahan nag-art, na ganahan nag-students mag-photography, ganahan nag-films, mag-drawing, daghan students ang ganahan mag-film. And when I talk to the principal and to other teachers kay na-shock ang principal bitaw na naadi ay school for film kay they are joining film competitions and I like sila na they knock knowledge daw. So at that moment it's a blessing disguise for me that I can be able to be an inspiration through the films that I'm going to show na possible din na makagamat at mga ning-ani na mga films. Nice lang sa feeling na makita ang growth and improvements sa mga students karon na ganahan sila mga ning-ani na sa akong time sa high school nako kay dili kayo siya well known and kayo siya gi-appreciate. Walang ang appreciation sa arts before sa akong time. It's great to see that there are a good number of people who are interested in taking up arts. And yeah, nice lang ma-see na people who are interested in arts, especially sa among city, kay is growing and is continue to prosper.
Good morning. Asa ka nang, asa mong name?
Nancy.
Nancy. So, Nancy, kita na ba kag mga Bisaya na mga salida?
Wala ra bagi ko na nakakita.
Okay, rate, if ever man makakita ka tayo, unsin mong sulti anak nila tayo, unsin mong maingon, if ever makakita kag Bisaya na mga salida.
Mura siguro o ganahan siguro ko na magtanaw kay kuan man siya, parehas naman nato ang sinultihan Bisaya.
Ganang, ngano importante man ang mga Bisaya ng mga salida.
Dali ra man gud nato masabtan, dili kuan kay siya ba.
And I think basing from their actions as students, kaya since nalingaw jud sila, I do believe na there's really a need for this kind of initiative, this kind of screening to happen, especially sa mga provinces, kay I believe na they lack knowledge. I believe na wala kay sila na aware na naday Bisaya films na pwede malantaw. You're having this kind of screening, kay I think many people will appreciate and many people will love Bisaya films, and hopefully because they like the films, people, especially companies, will try to invest or like fund Bisaya filmmakers to help them produce a film, because I think when that happen, I believe that it will boost the morale of the filmmakers na there are people who trust them with their work and money.
Language is a very crucial part of development. That's what I learned in philosophy of language. The wideness of our life or of our world really depends on our language. And considering na Bisaya ako, it's really important that we use our local language, because sometimes it hits different mong. Let's say when we try to curse, it's very different when we say putang ina versus to a Visayan person who says yawa. So there's really this barrier. So instead of like primero ta makakita og English or Tagalog, why not Bisaya? I mean, it's still a Filipino language. Filipino language does not always mean Tagalog. It also means Bisaya, it also means Ilonggo, it also means Maranao, or any other ethnicity that coincides inside the country of Philippines. So it's really important that we try to showcase the other languages that exists here in the Philippines.
It's nice to see, with our language na makita dili lang diri sa atoang cities, but nice siya madunggan sa laing nasod, kay ma-amaze siguro mga other country ba na dili rin Tagalog ang language sa Philippines, na other dialects bitaw na siguro ba interested sad sila.
I think lang bitaw ang Bisaya mo ko na language, kaya like di lang siya language, there's more of it bitaw. Like I feel like if we will encourage more Bisaya people to create, they will use Bisaya language as mga main language sa kafang, kay feel ako kay ma-enhance more creativity sa film. There will be more chances without like to introduce the Bisaya to the films sa Iligan City, or not just in Iligan City but also worldwide.
You will learn so that we will be able to replicate what we are doing. Hopefully, films kay ma-enjoy rin yun ng mga iba, and hopefully mas ma-appreciate niyo ang Bisaya films. So, hindi na nakapagaya rin. Start showing.
The activity kanina was very fun. It was very entertaining. I really love that there are different forms of animations. Example, katong clay na animation. Like, bulok ko, nalisod kito siya buhaton, pero like, kinaya Japon siya. I really fact, like, there are different stories na makarelate to different viewers at that time. And then, magdadyo siya moral behind every story.
Honestly, as a College of Arts and Social Science student, I think anything that involves like art is crucial to society's human development. And film showing is a way to express human emotions and showing the humanitarian side. Like, there's nothing wrong with feeling angry after being cheated on, or feeling loved by the same sex. Sometimes the job of students, or people rather, who are very vocal or expressive in arts, to remind people about being human. And I think in film showing, it's a specific way of trying to remind people this is what anger looks like, this is what being in love looks like, this is what being sad looks like. And it shows us this range of emotions, range of behaviors, just to show people na not all people experience the same sadness, not experience the same anger or any other emotion. And I think through film showing, we are reminded at the end of the day that we can be ourselves, we can act the way ourselves without having to feel like, oh wait, I'm not acting like the ones that people really see in movies. But instead, we are reminded that I'm just a human. If I want to feel this way because I saw other people do it, why not?
Hopefully sad because of mga ni-ani kay people will learn to value and show importance sa mga Bisaya films na di rin ito siya basta-basta kon. Because we have many stories. Our culture is rich and we have such great stories to tell. That should not be kept, but instead it should be seen not only sa sa atong cities, sa atong mga provinces, dili lang sad sa Philippines, but I believe all over the world.